How to transfer money from Cash App to Chase account. If you want to transfer money from Cash App to Chase account, basically what you have to do is you have to link your Chase bank account to Cash App, or you can also just scan its QR code and directly try to send the money. But an easier option would be to add the bank account to Cash App and later add or send money to that account. Now for this, first of all, open the Cash App application and log into your account. Then simply go to the profile icon located at the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you go to the profile icon, from there you will see this type of information, where what you have to do is you'll find an option right here that says linked banks. So you can just go to that linked bank section there, and when you go to the linked bank section, here you'll find link your bank account. So you can click on continue and first link your Chase bank account. And once you've done that, of course, you'll be able to then go ahead and then add money to your Chase account from Cash App. This way you'll be able to transfer money from Cash App to Chase account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.